Stocks making biggest moves midday: HDFC Bank, BEML, ACME Solar Holdings and more. Markets cracked sharply as oil prices spiked, dragging Nifty and Sensex lower, but energy and select solar stocks bucked the trend with surprising gains. Here are top movers and shakers at this hour. HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank share price remained under pressure after the sudden exit of the Atanu Chakraborty. The bank announced the resignation of its part-time chairman and independent director, Atanu Chakraborty, with immediate effect. The Reserve Bank of India has approved Keki Mistry as interim part-time chairman for a period of 3 months. Natural gas stocks: Adani Total Gas, Gujarat Gas, GSPL, Mahanagar Gas, ONGC. Natural gas and upstream energy stocks moved higher despite the broader market weakness. Adani Total Gas share price gained about 8.86% by midday. Gujarat Gas share price was up around 0.63%. Gujarat State Petronet share price was slightly lower by about 0.45% after early gains. Mahanagar Gas share price rose about 0.86%. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation share price gained around 2.15%. The trigger was a sharp rise in crude oil prices, with Brent crude moving near $113 per barrel amid escalating tensions in West Asia. Disruptions to energy infrastructure and supply routes have tightened expectations around availability. Bharat Forge. Bharat Forge saw a notable decline in its share price, falling by 5% by midday. The drop comes amid broader market weakness, with additional pressure stemming from challenges in the auto components sector. Rising crude oil prices have also contributed to the negative sentiment, as they tend to increase input and logistics costs, weighing on profitability expectations. Oil marketing companies: HPCL, BPCL, IOC. Oil marketing companies remained under pressure. HPCL share price fell nearly 6% by midday. Bharat Petroleum Corporation share price declined around 3% to 4%. Indian Oil Corporation share price also dropped about 3% to 4%. Meanwhile, ONGC share price was up over 1%. Rising crude oil prices are squeezing margins for refiners. Unlike upstream companies, which benefit from higher oil prices, refiners face cost pressures when crude rises sharply and retail prices do not adjust immediately. The surge in oil prices followed attacks on energy infrastructure linked to the ongoing conflict involving Israel and Iran. BEML. BEML share price gained around 3.19% in the previous session and remained in focus by midday. The company secured an order worth about Rs 555 crore for supplying metro rolling stock to the African region. The contract includes designing, manufacturing, testing and commissioning stainless steel standard gauge metro coaches. Separately, BEML has already approved an investment of around Rs 1,500 crore for a greenfield rail manufacturing facility expansion in Madhya Pradesh over 5 years. Petronet LNG. Shares of Petronet LNG fell around 5% during midday on Thursday after reports of missile strikes on Qatar's Ras Laffan industrial hub heightened concerns over potential disruptions to global LNG supplies. ACME Solar Holdings. ACME Solar Holdings share price jumped 4.65% by midday, overall 14% in last month. The gains are not driven by a single announcement in isolation, including commissions of energy storage systems. Indosolar. Indosolar share price surged 5% by midday, hitting its upper circuit. The rally followed a policy move by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, which included ingots and wafers under the approved list of models and manufacturers framework. Until now, the list covered modules and cells effective June 1, 2028. West Asia tensions weigh on food delivery and QSR stocks. Shares of online food delivery companies Swiggy and Eternal, along with quick service restaurant QSR operators such as Jubilant Foodworks and Devyani International, declined by as much as 6% in Thursday's trading session. The fall was driven by rising concerns over potential operational disruptions linked to the escalating crisis in West Asia. Development Engineers share price declined about 8.72% by midday. The company stated that the West Asia conflict has started affecting its export orders. Swan Defence and Heavy Industries share price dropped 5%, hitting its lower circuit by midday. The fall followed approval for a promoter stake sale Hazel Infra through the offer for sale route. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.